Hello, welcome to the first of our screencasts to help you out with some basic computer functions here at Lansky Constructions. The first thing we're going to look at today is going to be out-of-office emails, replies. We're going to also take a quick look at the web-based mail interface. This will allow you to set your out-of-office automatic replies for emails that people send to you while you're on holidays or otherwise disposed. First of all, you need to come down to your web browser. Just start your web browser up. In this case I've started Firefox. You may have Safari or Chrome or another web browser. Then you need to go to the mail.lansky website. mail.lansky.com.au. Okay, helps if I spell it right. Okay, and what you can see here is the actual website that you'll type in. No wwws. Don't type it into your Google search. Type it directly into the address bar up the top. mail.lansky.com.au. No www. If you just hit enter, that'll take you to the Lansky Constructions web portal. Choose the state that you're in. I'll use an example account that I have. That'll take you to a login screen. It's the same for each state. Just enter your normal username, which is usually your full first name, last name, no spaces. Type in your normal password that you would use to log into your computer, and then click login. This takes you to Roundcube. It's just a piece of software that we use to provide a web interface into your email. So you can actually, and in this case there's no email in this account, but you can see it's on the inbox here. Normally you would see all of the emails that you normally see within Thunderbird or Apple Mail or whatever interface you're using, and as well as all the folders. You can create new emails, you can reply to emails, forward emails, delete them, so on and so forth. Do most everything you can do in your normal email system. You can access this on any computer, anywhere in the world, as long as it's connected to the internet. So that's very useful to know, mail.lansky.com.au. But what we're going to do now is set your out of office. We're going to set your out of office reply by going up here to settings and click settings. Then this allows you to set some basic things. You can actually play around with this, and it will allow you to change the way that it looks and colors and things like that. But what we're interested in today is the filters tab for the out of office, manage incoming filters. We click that tab, and because we haven't set any out of office replies for this email account before, there's nothing listed here on the left. What we need to do is we need to add a filter. So we click this button and it brings up our filter settings. Once we complete this, we'll have functioning out of office replies on our email. We simply call this whatever we want to. In this case you see I've already entered holiday out of office once before. You can call it whatever you like, it's just a name. Next we need to come down and select all messages, because we want this to apply to all messages that are sent to us. Next we go into the actions area, and we need to in here select reply with message. Reply with message means that we're going to reply to all messages sent to our email account. In here we type in our message. Usually we give people a time when we're returning, so on and so forth. We'll tell them if for anything urgent we'll contact whomever you've specified, and give any phone numbers or email addresses that you need put in there. Another next important thing is that we add in our own email address here. So you need to put in your own email address, and you can also add in any other email addresses that you may want to receive messages while you're away. So if there's somebody else covering for you, type their email address in and they'll get a copy of any email that's sent to you. The only other thing we need to do is put in how often to send the messages. And what this means is that if we put a 1 in there, that means that each day people who send you an email will get 1 reply, and that just means that if I was to send you, if you had your out of office set and I was to send you 10 emails in one day, I would only get 1 of these out of office messages and not be hassled with another 9 that I just have to delete. So we just click save down the bottom here, and there we are. We now have our filter. If we come up here, we can see it on the left. If we click on it, we can see the settings in there. We can come back at any stage and change those settings. When we come back from holidays, we will log back into this web interface, mail.lansky.com.au. We will come back to settings again, back to filters, select our out of office message and delete the out of office message. And it just asks, do you want to really delete it? Yes, we do. Done. The only thing left to do is log out, close down your browser, and you're done. You can always contact us, John Hewitt or JB, if you need any additional details.